Welcome to Awka, the heart of Anambra State. Today we are taking a ride through one of the most talked about road projects in Anambra State, the 8-lane new government house road in Awka, currently under construction under the leadership of Governor Charles Soludo. Now, let's get one thing straight. This is not an entirely new road. It's more of a major renovation and expansion. The road has been here for years, but thanks to the working governor, it is undergoing a massive facelift to improve connectivity, ease traffic flow, and give Awka a more modern look. And for that, kudos to Governor Charles Soludo. As we take you through this aerial and drive-through view, you'll notice how far the work has progressed. The road is almost complete, and we must say, the transformation is very impressive. However, there are still some finishing touches needed before the final commissioning. The road expansion is nearly complete, making way for smoother traffic. The surface is well paved, giving it a sleek and modern feel. Project is changing the face of Awka as we speak, aligning with Soludo's vision for a more developed Anambra. What still need attention in this particular project? No footpaths yet. Pedestrians will need safe walkways to move comfortably. There are no road signs yet. They will also need clear road signs and markings, which are very crucial for safety. Open drainage system. These need proper covers to prevent accidents and ensure durability. Since the project is still ongoing, we are hopeful that these key elements will be put in place before the final commissioning. So, what do you think about this particular project? Are there other areas you'd like to see upgraded? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.